Is Pipedrive not working properly for you? Whether the platform won't load, features aren't responding, or you're experiencing login issues, this guide will walk you through several fixes that can help get Pipedrive working again. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Try opening other websites to confirm your connection is working properly. If needed, switch networks and test again. Sometimes a temporary session issue can cause problems. Refresh the page, then sign out and sign back into your Pipedrive account. If you're using Pipedrive in a web browser, clear your cache and cookies. Old browsing data can occasionally interfere with website performance and functionality. Next, open Pipedrive in a different browser. This can help determine whether the issue is related to your current browser settings or extensions. Some browser extensions may conflict with web applications. Temporarily disable extensions, then reload Pipedrive to see if the problem is resolved. If Pipedrive still isn't working, there may be a temporary service issue. Check the official status page or company updates to see whether any outages have been reported. If you're using the Pipedrive mobile app, make sure it's updated to the latest version. Updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. A simple device restart can often fix temporary software conflicts. Restart your computer, phone, or tablet, then try accessing Pipedrive again. If none of these solutions work, contact Pipedrive support. Provide details about the issue, including any error messages, so they can help you troubleshoot more effectively. And that's how to fix Pipedrive when it's not working. One of these troubleshooting steps should help you get back up and running quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.